problem.
Jason.
So as you all know probably by now, right, because that's what you really care about in 2021 is, how's Bobby's diet going?
I have no idea what that is. I'm so sorry.
So I'm good, right? Monday through Thursday, no drinking, green tea, my green juices that I make in the morning. Come Friday night, that's where I get weak in the knees.
Oh my God. You all right, boss?
I found this Carb Quick stuff, right? And it's 2 net carbs per serving. So you can put all your veggies that are, carb friendly. For the like 0 carbs in the cheese, 0 carb in the cheese, 0 carb in the pepperoni. We're gonna use tomato paste, which has less sugar than like tomato sauce. That's what we're gonna make today. We're gonna make just a carb friendly pizza. So to start making your dough, measurements are key. So it's 1.5 cups of Carb Quick. Look at this mess. Can't take me anywhere. All right, 1/3 cup of water. Don't spill. So you wanna start making your dough. Gotta put some elbow grease in it. All right, let's take a little of the sauce. No measurements, as you like. Measurements are key. I like a spicy one. Shout out Round Table again. That's probably I'm gonna go with a tablespoon. Crushed red peppers, garlic powder in the sauce. Mix it up. So you're gonna preheat your oven to 450 degrees. You're gonna bake it for about 12 minutes. I like it really crispy, so it might be 12, 15 minutes. Start with my mozzarella cheese. This is a 6 blend Italian, so it has a little bit of mozzarella, a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. All right, so that's my base. I'm gonna do my pepperoni now. I wanna add a little fresh garlic, green bell pepper, add a little color to your pizza. Now we wanna do a little mushroom action here, put that in there. Low carb, full of love. And then to top it off with my favorite, I love red onion on a pizza. That looks good, right, Jason?
Ooh, let's bake it.
12 minutes. You ain't said nothing but a word. See, it didn't stick. That's why you use parchment.
Any of you try to throw shade at my parchment paper.
Ooh, mama. Got my little pizza roller, my little side of ranch if you need. All right, use my little trusty dusty pizza roller. So carb friendly, right? So if I was to divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5, yeah, this is like 2 net carbs. I'm gonna try once without ranch. I don't wanna mask, I wanna see what my sauce tastes like. The only difference that you're gonna realize in this is that if you did it a little thinner, it'd be crunchier. It's a little doughy in the middle for me, but that's all right. I'm here for it. 2 net carbs, looks like pizza from like your local pizza parlor, at least mine. And it has all the veggies that I want on it. Da 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 da. Oh. I don't know how you have a pizza night without a Diet Coke. This was a quick, easy recipe because really, I need like at least something that's reminiscent of a pizza on a Friday night when you're tired after the long work week. I got this on Amazon, I don't know if I said that. And it was pretty cheap. So if you wanna try it, I think you should. Give me your pizza recipes. If you have a homemade pizza sauce, like put it in the comments or DM me or something, because that would be fun. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. And on that note, I'll see you next week. Bye, love you. Te amo mucho. That's all I know, bye.